Hi, welcome back to LE DIY channel and the how-to series video. I'm Christoph. Today I'll show you how to install solar wall lights.
1. Turn on the switch. 2. Choose a location exposed to direct sunlight. Recommended height 1.8 to 2.5 meters. 3. Fix the light. Make a punch mark on the surface to be installed. Punch a hole with the impact drill, put in the concrete anchors and then fix the lamp with screws. Notes 1. After the switch is turned to the on position, the wall light only illuminates when the ambient light level is below 20 lux and there is human movement detected. 2. The number of uses depends on the amount of electricity stored during the daytime, which is affected by the intensity and duration of sunlight. 3. Temperature affects the sensitivity of the PIR sensor, causing the detection range to vary. The higher the temperature is, the shorter the detection range will be.
If the lights fail to light up after continuous days of rainy or cloudy weather, it's because the battery has been exhausted. The light will function normally again at night after a sunny day.
That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get lots more home DIY knowledge and save thousands of dollars.